let's take a breath. Today, we uncovered the little things that hold us back: pronunciation slips, grammar traps, lost vocabulary. But the truth is, you're already on the right path. Learning a language takes time, patience, and heart. So keep showing up, keep practicing. You're doing better than you think. If something resonated with you today, leave a comment. Share your struggle or your progress. Let's grow together. And remember, fluency isn't perfection. It's the confidence to speak, even when your voice shakes. You've got this.